Hi everyone, this is Miss Maru at Twinkl. We have many different literacy and phonics PowerPoints on our website. PowerPoints are a great visual resource to get children engaged and interacting in their learning. Why not practice some letter formation with this PowerPoint? This presentation guides your children through the formation of each letter. Watch as the pencil draws the letter and then you can try it yourself. Children can practice forming the letters in the air with a wand or on their hand. Whilst watching, children might want to practice on whiteboards, paper or in sand. You could use this simple sentences PowerPoint as a morning starter to help with speaking and listening, writing and comprehension. You can simply leave the PowerPoint on as the children come into school. They can access the activity and the sentences independently. You might want to try forming a sentence with the children. Can they think of a sentence for the picture? Once children have verbalised a sentence, they could take it in turns to come and annotate onto the PowerPoint. You can use the draw tool in the toolbar to write the sentence. You can even use the highlighting tools to give feedback about the sentence. Can the children spot any mistakes? How can they make the sentence better? Have they used and can they recognise any phonics sounds? You could play hide and reveal with this CVC Words spelling PowerPoint. Simply hide the picture and see if children can use the sounds to make up the word. What might the picture be? Finally, reveal the picture to see if the children were right. You could swap it around and hide the sounds. Can children guess what the word might be and put it together using the picture? You may want to use some of our PowerPoints to start discussions and explore stories in the classroom. You could introduce World Book Day with this PowerPoint, or you can explore phonemes with this Goldilocks and the Three Bears themed PowerPoint. Many of our PowerPoints are editable, so you can add in your own parts at any time. I hope you found those useful. See you next time!